Hello and welcome, my name is 𝕯𝖊𝖗𝖃, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started with OctaFX. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to go through to get started, and I'm assuming that you already checked the background of this broker and you're just here because you need a specific tutorial on how to get started, and yes, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, so first thing you have to do is you have to go to this page. This is the official sign up page of OctaFX. And I have the link in the video description that looks like this. Just click that and you'll be routed to this exact page, and to make sure that you're actually creating an account to the official website of OctaFX, because as you can see here, there are lots of fake and scam websites of OctaFX that are trying to copy the official website of OctaFX. As you see here, there's just one regulated OctaFX website, which is the official website of OctaFX, this one right here, and this is the official sign up page. Once you reach this page, you'll just have to fill out your information, and I already have an existing account with the OctaFX, so I'm going to have this as a demo account for this tutorial. So just fill out your information and your desired password and check this check mark and then open account. And then OctaFX will send you an email to confirm your email. So just go ahead and open up your email platform to confirm your OctaFX account. So this is the email that I got from OctaFX. So I'll just have to click confirm. And after you hit confirm, you will be routed to this page, and this is where you need to provide more information about yourself, like which country you're from. Just fill out your information and then select yes if you have a trading experience, and once you're done, just click this button, continue, and then you will be prompted to this next step, and this is where you can select whether OctaFX automatically creates an account for you or you can create an account later. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select standard and then create an account, and then it will create as a trading account under MetaTrader 5 trading platform, as you see here. And you can also add an additional account later. Let's just say if you want to trade under MetaTrader 4, you can also open an additional account later. So what we need to do next is to have to open our dashboard. Just click view dashboard and you will be routed to your personal area. So just like what I've mentioned, you can create an additional account through this button right here. Let's just say if you want to trade using MetaTrader 4 for some reason. But what you need to do next is hover your mouse to this icon right here, settings, and then click and then select bonus settings. And you want to make sure that you check this check mark, apply further bonuses automatically. So this is bonuses every time you make a deposit. So you have to make sure that you select 50% and then hit save. And the next thing that we're going to do before anything else is to verify our account. And to do that, you just have to go back to settings again, and then in the drop down, select profile verification. So we need to submit an ID, any government issued ID that you have. You just have to select ID. And if you have passport, then of course select passport. Just a self-explanatory process. You just have to make sure that you already have your ID picture saved on your devices so you can easily upload it from here. You have to upload both front and the back side of your preferred ID. And your account should be verified within just a few minutes or an hour. And for you people out there who are just getting started with forex trading, I just wanted to let you know guys that OctaFX also offers copy trading. This button right here, just click this and you'll be routed to OctaFX copy trading. So basically what's going to happen, you're just going to copy someone's trades who has more experience in trading, and this is where you will be able to see more details about OctaFX copy trading. Now of course, before you can go ahead and do that or copy someone, you need to find your account, which is the minimum deposit of OctaFX is just $25 or currency equivalent. And also for the people out there who already have experience and already master how to become profitable with forex trading, you can also be a master trader and let someone copy from your trades and earn commissions out of your copier's profits. So this is where you can do that, master area. Just go to copy trading and then select master area. But the first thing is you need to have a verified OctaFX trading account, and then you have to also trade under or using MetaTrader 4 trading platform, where you can easily just create. You just have to make sure that you first verify your account. OctaFX also offers free educational resources for people out there still trying to learn how to become a profitable trader. And they also have promotions from time to time. As you see here, they have demo contest where you can try to trade using a demo account, and then there's a contest where you can get prizes. And if you're not seeing this navigation, you can also just go to OctaFX homepage, and this is where you can see all of these buttons. Once your account is successfully verified, you should receive an email about that saying that your account is now successfully verified. Next thing you need to do is you can now go ahead and find your account, and to do that, just go to your personal area, just click your name and then personal area. To make a deposit and avail the 50% bonus, you just have to click this button. and you will be routed to this page where you can select your preferred payment method. And as you can see here, you can also deposit cryptocurrencies, USD Tether or Bitcoin, Ethereum, and depending on which country you're from, there should be local payment methods available for you to use. Making a deposit to your OctaFX account is a self-explanatory process, so I guess I no longer have to share that in this video. So just go through the process to select your preferred payment method and hit continue and go through the self-explanatory process. And again, the minimum deposit of OctaFX is $25 or currency equivalent. And if you want to be a master trader, just like what I mentioned earlier, if you want to be copied and make commissions from your copiers, you can just create an account from here and select MetaTrader 4. And by the way, OctaFX also have a mobile application that you can install to your Android device or iOS device. And that's where you can also manage your account and even do trading. And once you're now ready to make a trade, you already have your account funded. The next thing you have to do is just click this trade, or you have to select your account here, switch your account, and then select trade. And you will be prompted with your login information. And this information will be sent to your email as well. Next thing you have to do is you have to install the MetaTrader 5 or whatever the trading platform that you're using, MetaTrader 4. And to do that, you just have to click this trading button up here and then download MetaTrader 5 for desktop. So it's just a self-explanatory process. You'll just have to install it to your device and then just log in using the information that was prompted earlier or the information that was being sent to your email. For me personally, I'm not using MetaTrader for, mapping out my strategy. What I do is I'm using this tool right here called TradingView. I will have the link of this tool in the video description if you want to check it out. You can create the free account with TradingView, but the downside is there's a lot of ads popping everywhere. So I'm using a premium account, and this is where I map out my strategy and then just place my trade using my mobile phone. You can easily set up your order here. Let's just say if I'm going to place a long order or buy order. So as you see here, you can easily set up your stop loss and then take profit. And among many other tools that TradingView have, which is not available on MetaTraders, either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So I would suggest you do the same. Just create a free account on TradingView, and then once you make a profit in the future or you become a profitable trader, then just subscribe so that you can use all premium features that TradingView has for their premium clients. Just map out your strategy using TradingView and then place your trade using either the mobile app of OctaFX or the mobile version of MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. And for you to be able to easily calculate your position or lot size, you can also use this calculator right here. And I will also have the link of this calculator on the video description below. What you just need to do to use this calculator is you just have to, of course, input your account balance. Let's say if you're having a $300 account, and then how much you're going to risk on a particular trade. So the suggested percentage is between 2 to 3%. And what I usually use is just 2% out of my account balance. And then your stop loss in pips, you have to input how many pips is your stop loss, and then select your trading pair from here and then hit calculate, and you should be automatically provided with the lot size that you're going to trade on your account. Now, of course, if you don't know how to use TradingView, there's also a bunch of tutorials here on YouTube on how to use TradingView. Also, if you don't know how to place a trade using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, I'll just add a link for a detailed tutorial on how to use MetaTrader in the video description below. That's all I have for you guys today, and thank you for watching. And of course, let me know in the comments if you still have questions. Have a great day and good luck.